Want to capture epic slow motion shots on your iPhone? Here is how to do it in seconds. If you enjoy this tip, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone camera tricks. Open the camera app and swipe to the Slo-Mo mode. You'll see it labeled just above the shutter button. Make sure you're using the rear camera for better quality. Hold your phone steady, frame your shot, and tap the red record button to start filming in slow motion. Tap it again to stop recording. To adjust the slow motion speed, open the settings app, scroll down to camera, then tap on record slow-mo. You can choose the resolution and frame rate. Higher frame rates give smoother slow motion but take up more storage. After recording, open the video in the Photos app to edit the portion that plays in slow motion. Just drag the slow motion bars to trim the effect. That's it! You've just recorded a cinematic slow momental clip. Like and subscribe for more iPhone video tips.